Before beginning this repair, it should be known that opening any device that does possess any type of water resistance will in turn void that water resistance. You can attempt to reseal it and make it water resistant again, but do so at your own risk. After you've powered off the device, you'll want to begin to heat the back glass on the phone. Listed on screen now are a few safe ways to properly heat the back housing. Once the back has been adequately heated, you can begin to remove the glass itself by carefully sliding an X-Acto knife in between the glass and one of the antenna bands located at the bottom of the phone. Once you're able to slide the knife underneath the glass, you'll want to swap it out for a plastic tool, as any metal can further crack the glass or damage any components inside the phone. With the plastic tool now in, you can slowly and carefully work your way around the back. If at any point you encounter some resistance and notice that it's a little harder to move the tool, you'll want to apply some more heat before continuing. After you've made your way around the back glass a few times, you should notice that it'll visibly start to separate. At this point, you can pull it off completely. Once the back glass is off, you'll want to remove any remaining adhesive from the back housing. If the back glass didn't come with some sort of pre-cut adhesive already on it, you'll want to apply the adhesive now. Though if applying your own adhesive, I would recommend putting it directly onto the back housing versus the glass itself, and I would also be careful to avoid taping over any antennas or flex cables or etc. Once the adhesive has been applied, you'll want to line up the back glass with the back housing before carefully laying it in. You'll then want to run your fingers around the areas where the adhesive is to seal it up completely, finishing the repair.